Hello and welcome to the channel. So today we are replacing the front end of the Mustang and getting a new front bumper. It's something that I've wanted to do for a while now. I just think there are other really good looking bumpers out there to try rather than the stock one. So we're gonna have a look and see what it looks like now, and then obviously pop the new bumper on and just see what that looks like. And hopefully we can get a bit more grunt, a bit more sporty looking Mustang. So let's have a look. So the front end that we're looking to put on the car is the, it's called the Concepts GT500 bumper. So it basically deletes the fog lights. It's a bigger surface area for the honeycomb grille, so it increases airflow. It replaces the fog lights with more airflow grills, just to make it, as I said, a little bit mean, a little bit more sporty. I've taken some clips of the back end as well, because we are getting an MP Concepts rear spoiler as well. So let's see how it looks. Wow, have a look at that. Look at the way the front chin comes out, gives it a bit more aggression. You can see the indicator there on top of the airflow vents. There's the rear spoiler as well. It just looks so much more mean. And the black accents really complement the bumper. So really happy, really happy with the purchase. So as always, thanks for watching. If you please like, comment and subscribe on the video, it'll help me bring more content like this to you. Thanks again for watching.